Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be going to cook Nyonya Fish Pineapple Curry. This is a must-try recipe if you love Nyonya food. This dish is packed with flavor and aroma from the spices, sweetness and tartness from the pineapple, and creaminess from the coconut milk. The harmony of ingredients results in a wonderful dish, a tribute to Nyonya cuisine. Come along with me to see how this dish is prepared. Now here are the spices which will be used to make the spice paste. I have dried chili, I have got lemongrass which I've roughly chopped, I have got shallots which I'll roughly chop as well, galangal cut into thin pieces, turmeric also cut into thin pieces, and 1 cup of water. So I will blend the chilies first, add in half a cup of water, So once the chili has been blended, we can add the other spices starting with our lemongrass because it takes longer to blend, the onions, the galangal, turmeric, and the rest of the water. So the plan is to get it to be a smooth, silky paste, something like this, right? It is very fine, very silky, and very smooth. All right, so we are going to pour this and put it aside. Let's have a look at the other ingredients. I have 1 kg of fish fillet here. You can use any of your favorite fishes. And 500 grams of peeled pineapple, roughly chopped. 3 stalks of lemongrass, only the green parts. The white parts have been used to make the paste. 3 kaffir lime leaves. I have cut into slivers, like so. And we also have 2 red and 2 green chilies cut into thin pieces. Here I've got a box of 200 milliliters of coconut milk. I only need to use 100 milliliters. So we can start frying our paste. So we are going to put the paste into the hot oil and saute it for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the paste is drier, the color has darkened, and you can detect a nice aroma coming up from the paste. So now we can put in our chilies, the 2 types of chilies, and our bashed lemongrass. Give it a stir for about a minute. Then we're going to add 1 cup of water first. I poured the water into my blender to rinse my blender, which has some paste left inside. So bring this curry to a boil. It takes about a minute or 2. So add in our pineapple cubes and bring it to boil as well. Once the curry is boiling, slide in the fish fillet and try to make some space for these pieces of fish so that it is submerged in this curry gravy. Okay, then we are going to cover and cook for 4 minutes. 4 minutes later, the fish would have been cooked by then. Okay, gently stir it, and we can add in our seasonings, which comprises of salt, brown sugar, and coconut milk. So gently stir our fish so that all the ingredients are nicely incorporated. So once it's boiling, just throw in a couple of pieces of kaffir lime leaves for garnishing. Here we are. Our delicious Nyonya fish pineapple curry is ready. This curry is best enjoyed while it is hot with a bowl of piping hot rice. This fish version is an alternative to my prawn version video for our viewers who are allergic to prawns. Please find my video entitled Nyonya Prawn Pineapple Curry in the description box below. Both versions are packed with sweetness and tartness from the pineapple. I do hope that you will try these recipes when time permits. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!